Hi all, just follow up from the video from yesterday. We've had auto electrician out to fix the windows, the sunroof, none of which would open or close. We've had to put new motors in them, and also to provide a key, because there's no keys for this vehicle. They've now provided the one key with, well, a spare as well, and I made them link up the central lock-in and also fit an alarm to it, so it's safe. So let's see if it all works. First time I've tested it. Okay, something's happened. Let's see if it opens. Hey! Okay. Oh, what's going on there? Has it light? Something is flashing away. Well, I have no idea. Okay, let's try the key, see if it works. Ah, straight away works. Brilliant. What is this? Has it hazards? Oh, something's flashing away well. I have no idea. Flows are working.
Oh, everything is working?
Yeah. Hazard lights, I wonder. Looks like hazard lights on, doesn't it? Let me see if the lights are flashing outside. Yeah. Okay, something's happening. Aircon's still working. It's bonus. I didn't think it would do. Can you see hazard lights? There we are. The hazard lights are working. But I don't know why this is flashing. I've done it already. It's not that. Okay, let's see if it locks.
You have to turn it more, to turn it
You
off.
see? What's that smell?
Turn it off more press. Because sometimes it's not yet turned
I'll
off.
send them this video anyway, the guys. Okay, so everything's flashing. Let's leave that out. I've nothing else I can do.